Welcome to the Automated Consumer Recycling Center. Please deposit all non-biological waste. Preparation for full biological renewal is now processing.
Millions of plastic bags are discarded every day, creating one of the world's most persistent pollution problems. The journey begins with carefully collecting waste polythene from homes, markets, and recycling centers.
Let's get this sack filled.
Inside this advanced recycling plant, discarded plastic is transformed into valuable raw material. Every batch is carefully sorted to remove materials that could reduce the quality of the recycled plastic.
Watch out for that large piece of cardboard.
Got it. This bunch of paper is out too.
Advanced optical sorting systems identify recyclable polythene with remarkable speed and accuracy. Industrial shredders reduce flexible plastic into small flakes for efficient cleaning and processing.
Centrifugal force drives out the remaining moisture, preparing the clean flakes for the extrusion process.
Before melting, every plastic flake must be completely dry to ensure the highest quality recycled material. Even a small amount of moisture can affect the quality of recycled plastic, making this inspection an essential step. Even a small amount of moisture can affect the quality of recycled plastic, making this inspection an essential step.
At the core of the process, microscopic filtration begins. Molten polymer is forced through precision steel mesh. This ensures absolute purity for the high-quality pellet.
The purified plastic is shaped into continuous strands ready for cooling. Uniform plastic pellets become the high-quality raw material used to manufacture new products. What began as discarded plastic bags has now become premium recycled raw material, ready to be transformed into durable plastic chairs.
Every single pellet is scanned for absolute consistency. AI vision cameras instantly isolate off-color contaminants.
What began as discarded plastic bags has now become premium recycled raw material, ready to be transformed into durable plastic chairs.
The recycled pellets are fed into the heated barrel. Intense heat and friction shear the polymer into a consistent melt. This ensures flawless precision.
Every chair begins inside a precision-engineered mold capable of withstanding tremendous pressure. Precision cooling ensures the chair achieves maximum strength while maintaining its exact dimensions. Only moments ago, this was discarded plastic. Now a brand new chair has taken shape.
These freshly molded chairs must be stabilized. High-efficiency fans quickly cool the recycled plastic. This locks in the shape and ensures durability. It is a flawless automated process.
Every chair undergoes rigorous scanning. Laser measurements ensure perfect dimensions, guaranteeing top-tier structural integrity.
Advanced quality control guarantees that every recycled chair meets strict standards for strength, safety, and durability.
Each chair is precisely finished. Robotic heads ensure a flawless surface, maintaining the desired matte texture.
Every millimeter is measured to guarantee perfect consistency across thousands of chairs. Every millimeter is measured to guarantee perfect consistency across thousands of chairs. Robotic pelletizing increases efficiency while protecting every product from damage. Finished chairs are carefully organized inside automated warehouses ready for distribution. From discarded polythene bags to durable plastic chairs, every stage of this remarkable factory demonstrates the power of modern recycling technology. With production complete, thousands of recycled plastic chairs begin their journey to customers across the country. An efficient logistics network delivers recycled products wherever they are needed.
From recycled waste to everyday use, this is the new shape of sustainable logistics. Delivering a greener future, one city at a time.
From distribution centers, the chairs are prepared for schools, offices, public spaces, and homes. What was once discarded waste now provides comfortable seating in everyday life. Recycled plastic furniture serves communities by providing strong, affordable, and long-lasting seating. Recycled plastic furniture serves communities by providing strong, affordable, and long-lasting seating.
Me too, and it's all sustainable.
Every year, millions of tons of plastic are collected. Advanced factories transform this waste into pure pellets. They are molded into sustainable new products.
Every recycled chair represents thousands of plastic bags diverted from landfills and the natural environment. Every recycled chair represents thousands of plastic bags diverted from landfills and the natural environment.
Join us in shaping a sustainable future. Every piece tells a story of rebirth. Premium design, zero compromise. Subscribe and sit with us. What if the plastic bags we throw away every day could be transformed